From Wild Environmental Science comes the Extreme Aquatic Predators kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models of the deadly blue ring octopus and cone shell. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. Assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle of a piranha. A full-colour instruction book and huge poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the weirdest, the scariest, the strangest and the most dangerous aquatic predators on the planet. If you're wild about aquatic predators, you'll love Extreme Aquatic Predators of the World by Wild Environmental Science.